If you have ever been dehydrated, then you've experienced cramps, fatigue, and sickness. You just want to lie down and rest. But it can actually take up to several hours to recover. This is why proper hydration is critical to a rider's success during the heat of the outdoor pro motocross season.
Every cell in the body needs water to survive and also for ideal function. Common symptoms of dehydration include headache, sometimes a little bit of nausea, fogginess in the brain, decreased exercise performance is a big one. Sometimes it can affect reaction time. Also, cognitive function is impaired with even slight levels of hypohydration.
The tough part is more so the muscle cramps that come with the dehydration, because you're going from standing to sitting, and sometimes when you stand, those calf cramps and stuff are brutal.
Staying hydrated really comes down to rehydrating at a rate that approximates your sweat rate during exercise. Sweat is responsible for 80 to 90% of our thermoregulation, so we have to sweat during exercise to maintain body temperature. Everybody sweats at a different rate. That is determined a lot by genetics and heat acclimatization, or how used to the heat you are. But staying hydrated or maintaining hydration is completed through replacing your sweat losses. How long it takes to recover hydration following an activity depends on how quickly you consume the fluids, and perhaps also what other intake you have with the fluids. So if you have sodium and carbohydrate as part of the fluids, that'll empty out of your gastric system sooner and you'll absorb it faster and therefore replenish fluids a little bit faster. This is why we have sport drinks that assist in the rehydration process. Or you could also drink water and consume a meal that has carbohydrates and salt in it, and you'll also retain the fluids.